Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has stated in the Holy Quran in Surah Ibrahim, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَسُولٍ إِلَّا بِلِسَانِ قَوْمِهِ. And we sent every noble messenger with the same language as his people. Now let me tell another thing. Allah's Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated, كَانَ النَّبِيُّ يُبْعَثُ إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ خَاصَّةً. The previous prophets were sent towards a particular nation. وَبُعِثْتُ إِلَى النَّاسِ عَامَّةً. I have been sent as a Rasul for the whole mankind. Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala's Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam also stated, أُرْسِلْتُ إِلَى الْخَلْقِ كَافَّةً. I have been sent as a Rasul for the entire creation. And this confirms in the Holy Quran by Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala stated, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا كَافَّةً لِلنَّاسِ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا. O my Habib sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have sent you as a Rasul for the whole mankind. Again Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala stated, وَمَا تَبَارَكَ الَّذِي نَزَّلَ الْفُرْقَانَ عَلَىٰ عَبْدِهِ لِيَكُونَ لِلْعَالَمِينَ نَذِيرًا. Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has sent his Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a Rasul not only for the mankind but for the entire creation. Allahu Akbar. Our Rasul is Rasul for the human, Rasul for the jinn, Rasul for the animals, Rasul for the birds, Rasul for the malaika, and Rasul for the Rusul as well, for all the prophets of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. So when our Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent as a Rasul for the entire creation, and Allah Ta'ala has stated in the Holy Quran, we sent every noble messenger with the same language as his people. Now our Nabi is not only Rasul for the Arab, he is Rasul for the Ajam as well. Rasul for those people who speak Tamil, Rasul for those people who speak English, Rasul for those people who speak French. That means our Nabi is aware of all the languages is known to Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he is not only Rasul for the human being, for the jinnat as well. That again means he is aware of the languages of the jinnat as well. He is Rasul for the malaika. That means he is aware of the language of the malaika. He is Rasul for the animals, for the birds. That again means Allah's Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows the language of even the animals and of all the birds and all the creation of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. This is again very clear in light of the Holy Quran.